Law is not a law if it violates the principle of eternal justice, as stated by Lady Maria Child. A warm greetings of the afternoon to the respected dignitaries, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. It is truly an honor to stand before you today, not merely as a student of law, but as a learner of justice, as a learner of truth and humanity. Today, I feel privileged to stand before you and give a speech on the topic which shapes my identity as a law student. And the topic is the prospects and the challenges of legal profession in contemporary India. Today, the legal profession stands at a crossroads where one side is filled with immense opportunities and the other is scattered with the real challenges. For me, the most exciting and interesting thing about the legal profession is that it has a limitless opportunities. Today, being a law student or a lawyer is not just about wearing a black coats and going to the courtrooms. It's everywhere, in environmental issues, in cyber crimes, even in the social media platforms. Whether you want to become a judge, whether you want to become a lawyer, or whether you want to become a professor or policy makers, the legal profession have an endless opportunities for you. Again, the digital revolution means now we have virtual hearing where the accused can be produced online, which is much time saving. Again, we have e-filing. Again, we have online dispute resolution, which means that we as students of law and the aspiring lawyers have to focus not just on the academics and scoring a good marks, but also we have to focus on the digital intelligence. Again, the social respect and dignity that comes with this profession is totally unmatched. Even today, when people hear the word advocate, they imagine someone or the picture of someone who can speak fearlessly for the truth, who can speak fearlessly for giving justice to the others. Law is not just a profession, it's a voice for the voiceless. But every profession that shines from outside have shadows within. Even the legal profession have some kind of challenges, and the first challenge of legal profession is that it has an intense competition and unemployment. Every year, thousands of law graduates pass out, but very few can make it a big difference. The initial years can be very frustrating because there is a lot of hours of work, they have to earn little, they have to become a patient, and many more, and it is even much difficult for a first generation advocates. Again, there is a delay in justice. With over 4 crores pending cases in all over India, the justice often loses its meaning in the waiting. And we all know that justice delayed is justice denied. And this delay not only affects the life of the victims, but also the spirit of the legal education. Again, there is ethical challenges. To be honest, those corruptions and the false cases have totally tarnished the image of the legal system. Today, and we as the future lawyers and the aspiring lawyers have to focus on that, have to protect that, because if the profession is noble, then its protectors must be noble too. Despite these all kind of challenges, I see the legal profession not as a battlefield, but as a field that teaches me courage, as a field that encourages me to speak truth and only truth. Even today, a lawyer is not just about learning case laws and sections. It's about someone learning someone's story. A story where every person's battle for dignity, a battle for rights, a battle for gaining equality. And last, I want to say to all my respected students of law students to remember that we don't just study the law, we have to live it, we have to breathe it, and one day we will change it for the future. Thank you, everyone.